Here's what I did to make these things for my workbench. Little insert things for the for my clamps, side clamps to hold them into the table. These things here, and coupling, a rod, a 1/4-inch rod coupling that I filed or ground so I could drive it in this thing. And then I got another one, and I ground off the flange part of it. It's like this. And I'm going to drive this on there. And then I'm going to drill out the threads inside of that 1/4-inch coupling so a pin will slide through. Yeah. Drive this on there. Trying to hold this thing. Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drive it down till it touches, and then I'm going to drill out the threads in there. Then I can put a 1/4-inch pin through the table into my clamp. All right. Okay. And this thing's nice. Right there, boy.